Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest adventure, where we dive into the rich tapestry of China, a country steeped in history and brimming with cultural wonders.
Hi FIlmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. Today, we are going to create a video on China travel, using the Wondershare FIlmora 13 video editor. To start with, let us add a text. Then using the AI copywriting tool, we will generate the script for the video. Select Video Oral Script and write a short description of the video topic. Write a short script on the topic China travel, focusing on city life, architecture and people. Then click Generate. A detailed script is ready using artificial intelligence. Now we will copy the script in parts and add the text to the text field. Do this for all the chapters of the video project. Next, we need to do text-to-speech conversion. There are different voice styles available. We go with narration type.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
In our previous video, we used this voice, Lucy, which was nice, so let us use it again. The voiceover is done and added to the audio track. Do text-to-speech conversion for rest of the text fields.
Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts.
Now, listen to the voiceover and find the appropriate video clips in the stock media library from the FIlmora partner channels.
Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey.
Wondershare FIlmora 13 has some exclusive transition assets on China travel that you can use in your videos. China travel is already trending, so click to check out the assets. This ink landscape architecture transition will look great here,
where we dive into the rich tapestry of China.
For this, let's go with Chinese-style ink pack transition.
With cultural wonders. Today, we embark on
There are Chinese calligraphy pack transitions available.
The dynamic city life, architectural marvels,
which are extremely beautiful. We will use another calligraphy transition for these city clips.
Of China. Our first stop is the bustling metropolis of Shanghai.
This one is called Travel Journal Transition 05.
Vibrant city life. As soon as you step foot in this mesmerizing city.
Very nice. There are other transitions that we used in our previous video.
Contagious energy, skyscrapers soaring into the clouds, and streets
we can use some of these here also.
Travelers alike. Moving on, our expedition takes us to Beijing.
This transition assets elevate your China travel videos, make them interesting and of high value.
That take your breath away. From the iconic Great Wall snake.
Next, let us check the stickers, and here also, China travel is trending, with some marvelous China-themed stickers, made for this kind of videos. There are graffitis of monuments, designed alphabets, masks and food stickers here. You can just drag them to the timeline, and use them accordingly.
Of China, a country steeped in history and brimming with cultural.
There are stickers for city skylines also.
Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey. Is the bustling metropolis of Shanghai, known as the Pearl of the Orient.
Let us use them to see how they look. There is one for the Great Wall of China.
From the iconic Great Wall snaking across the magnificent landscapes.
We can resize the stickers and place them at a corner, so that they don't cover the videos.
From the iconic Great Wall snaking across the Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts.
Finally, we will add background music. In the FIlmora 13 audio library, there are royalty-free music available on China theme. Adding the music totally completes the travel video.
The capital of China. Steeped in imperial history.
So, this is how you can create stunning videos on China travel, using the Wondershare FIlmora 13. Thanks for watching Tube Media Tutorials. Happy creating!